Meron bagoong dito guys. Oh, bagoong nata di coco. Ayan. May bagoong pa ako dito. Doon. Ba't ang bilis ng ano ko? Video. Parang may lumulutang eh. Ay, may lumulutang. Ano ba yung bibilin ko? Soy sauce. Where's the soy sauce that you want, baby? Can you find it?
Maybe it's on the other shelf. Oh. Is it this? Found it. Oh, it's
Is that spicy?
No, the spicy one's up here. This isn't.
You know, favorite ko to guys. Yun. Kimchi.
You like kimchi? Does it say hot?